Hello everyone, to this video I'm gonna show you how to create a QR code. For example, you have an Instagram account or Twitter account or a YouTube channel and you want to make a QR code for your accounts or channel, whatever you want. For these tricks, first of all you have to go to the browser, and also for example this is my YouTube channel and I want to make a QR code for my new YouTube channel. To make a QR code you have to just copy your YouTube channel link or your Instagram or Twitter, whatever you want. Just copy the link and then go to Google and search QR code generator. Press enter and go to the first website. Just click on it and simple just paste your link and your QR code is done. You can see this is my QR code and you can download the QR code also. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If this video will help you a lot, please like this video and subscribe to my new YouTube channel for more tips and tricks video. Thank you.